Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with New York Life, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with New York Life, start by visiting their official website. Once on the home page, look for the Contact Us section. Click on this link to access various contact options. You will find a customer service phone number prominently displayed. If you prefer speaking to someone directly, note down the phone number. For online inquiries, locate the contact form available on the page. Fill in your details such as name, email, and phone number. Include a brief message about your inquiry to ensure clarity. Next, explore the Find an Agent feature available on the website. Enter your zip code to locate a nearby New York Life agent. Review the list of agents and select one that suits your needs. You can either call them or send an online inquiry directly. If you prefer social media, find New York Life on platforms like Facebook and LinkedIn. Follow their pages for updates and additional contact options. For educational resources, check out their blog and FAQs section. These areas can provide valuable information about their services. Consider attending local events or webinars hosted by New York Life. These events often allow for face-to-face interactions. If you're looking for career opportunities, navigate to the Careers section. Here, you can see if there are openings that interest you. After gathering all necessary information, you'll be ready to connect effectively. Follow up promptly if you receive a response to your inquiry. This will help establish a good rapport with the representative. Being clear and concise will facilitate effective communication. Before reaching out, ensure you have any relevant documents ready. This can include identification or financial records as needed. By following these steps, you will successfully connect with New York Life. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.